Yeah, here we have a Rockford 6x48 inch belt sander and 10-inch disc sander combination machine. And we have it powered up. So you just watch it run, and there we go. So the machine runs very nicely. There's a little bit of staining from the styrofoam packaging. We unpack the unit and put it on the base so it'll be shipped exactly how you see it. All the functions on here operate very nicely. Got a tilt table here that tilts up. It's also adjustable. Same with this table. Overall, it's in very good condition.